What's up, everybody? I'm Alan Branch from Carolina Fitness Equipment. We are live today for our weekly tour, and in the house is the champ, Derek Sellis. What's going on, buddy?
So we're standing here in the strength section right now, and you can see like we have some body solid pieces, we have some Paramount, we got some pre-core and life fitness in the back over here, some hammer strength, hammer strength, some techno gym over here, right here, it's behind me. I'm trying to like get my, my bearings here. But look, like this is a really cool body solid circuit that it's been sitting here for a couple of weeks, but it's like practically brand new. It's super nice. That white and black looks really good. Only really small blemishes on some of the pieces, things that are like easily fixed. Like we can get some of the pads replaced through our upholstery department or have the cables. So it's like if something doesn't feel right, we can definitely have it looked at. We also have some of this free motion ground zero pieces, and these are like heavy duty. That's the one thing free motion is known for, is like having these like beefy pieces, and they're really, really good. We have some like carrying.
We can get that painted to match. We can match the upholstery. We can match it with pre-existing equipment. We can mix and match different things together and color scheme it so that it all fits perfectly into a facility. Wait a minute, what you got in the background now?
I wanted to show these off because we got a lot of them in right now. We have Kaiser M3s and M3Is, and they are slightly used. These M3s that are the blue color right here, they're incredible shape. Don't have a ton of miles on them. Run super smooth, and for $100 more, you can get a used M3I, which is way less than what you can buy in brand new for. I wanted to show those off as well because they're in super nice condition.
Well, look, dude, we appreciate you taking time to show us a little bit of inventory. I know it's a lot. Guys, listen, if you want to schedule a time to come in and look on your own, or you want to visit the website, carolinafitnessequipment.com, to go in and look at some of the inventory, please do it, and then let us know if you'd like to take advantage of any of the pieces, the circuits, the demo program, whatever you need. We're here to help. Thanks again for taking the time. Guys, I'm Alan Branch from Carolina Fitness, and this is your weekly tour of the facility. Just to let you know, we want you to be first if you're in our Facebook group to see new inventory, get updates, specials, etc. from Carolina Fitness as they arrive.
Awesome, Alan, always a pleasure.
My man, we'll see you soon.